guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video I'm going to be doing a wash and go. I am not in the shower today. I'm actually filming in my office slash beauty room slash spare bedroom slash this is where I'm filming at today. So today's video is going to be, like I said, a wash and go. I'm going to be trying out this new product. I watched the video a couple of weeks on one of my YouTubers who I love to watch her channel. She is amazing. Her name is Raina. Happy girl. She tried out this Taliah, I don't even know how to say this word, Taliah Waajid name brand. I have never tried anything from this brand. This brand came inside one of my curl boxes. I ended up giving it away, so I was mad at myself, but she raved about how good this was for her wash and go, so I was intrigued to try it, and I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on what I think this product is like on my wash and go. So if you want to see how I feel about this product, please keep watching.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so my hair is already washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and so I have not done a wash and go out of the shower in like over 2 or 3 months. I've been doing them in the shower. So I'm going to go ahead and divide my hair like I normally do into sections. And if anybody's wondering why I'm wearing gloves, it's because I just got my nails done and this red bleeds, my hair color bleeds, so I don't want my French tips to turn into pink. So I'm wearing gloves to do my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and saturate my hair with some water. And you guys know I always use the Miche leave-in conditioner, but I'm not going to use that for this video. I'm going to switch things up a little bit. My hair is in need of some protein, so I did buy this in my most current Sally's haul. This is the Beyond the Zone Protein Cocktail Protein and Pro Vitamin B5 leave-in treatment. So I'm going to go ahead and try this and see how I feel about it on my hair. My hair needs some protein, and I like the fact that it sprays. So this is the green apple and aloe coconut nutrition hold me down jelly. There's a song that I listen to as a Christian rapper, and it goes, hold me down, yeah, hold me down. So there's my hair song. I mean, if I read this, I think about that song, so that was kind of corny, but I just threw it in there. So this is the consistency of what it looks like here. It's pretty thick. It's a jelly. It's jiggly. I'm going to use about that much of the product, and I'm going to apply it to this section of my hair. I like the way it looks on my hair while it's wet, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of it to this section and let you guys watch. So this side of my head is already done. I'm going to go ahead and complete the other side, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is my hair after all of the product is put into my hair. It feels pretty good, although I can't really feel how my hair feels because of the gloves, but it glided into my hair very well. So I'm going to go ahead and let my hair air dry for the rest of the day and come back either tonight or tomorrow and show you guys what my hair looks like after it's finished air drying or diffusing, whatever I choose to do. I got some errands to go run, so I'm going to go ahead and do that today, and then I'll be back to show you guys what my hair looks like after it's fully dried and all that stuff, so stay tuned. So yeah, I changed my part because I didn't want the middle part in the middle, so I'm going to do the side part, and then I'll show you tomorrow. just, you know, took my bands out and fluffed it. I am in love. I love the way it looks. It came out really good. Excuse the baby in the background. That's Malia. She's crying, so I'm trying to finish this video and head to church. But this is what my hair looks like. It's fluffy. It's big. It does have holes, so I will get a couple of more days out of this wash and go. So I'm pretty excited about that. I do recommend this. These products are really, really good. Even to say that I used a liquid leave-in, this actually still gave me a lot of hold, but my hair feels moisturized. And there is some shine to it. I didn't add any shine mix to it. This is just how it looks from the product. My hair took about maybe 4 or 5 hours to dry, so not that long. And like I said, I just banded it last night, and then this is the result. I do recommend this product. I found this in my local beauty supply store, and I want to say it was $10.99 or $11.99. Something like that, which is kind of, you know, it's not that expensive, but I used about that much of the product in my hair. I was pretty heavy-handed, but my hair doesn't feel weighed down or heavy. It still has body, it still has volume, so I am excited about this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Mwah. Bye.